Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. First talk for Monday's session, that is on 14th of November 2022, is Amara Raja batteries. This is a well-known candlestick pattern called inside day pattern. In this pattern, you can see a long range bullish candle with decent volume activity, and the subsequent candle is a red candle with the volume activity lower than this long range bullish candle. So this entire structure signifying that there are less number of sellers as compared to the buyers. The previous trend is an uptrend, so it is highly likely that any buying at the closing level might encourage buyers to keep on buying, and the possibility is that the price can touch the level of 650 rupees. On the weekly chart, the stock looks extremely strong. Look at the amount of buying that has take, taken place for the last 2 weeks. The buyers are having a ball in Amara Raja batteries. We will be buying call option of 650 rupees only if stock price breaks above 620 rupees. I have given the target till 660 rupees. Let's see what happens. The initial few minutes will hold key to what the momentum will be throughout the session. So please watch out for 9:15 to 9:20. Moving on to Atul Auto. On the hourly chart, I'm going to draw a horizontal line at 260 rupees. Let me make a sense of the price above this horizontal line. So this is the trend. This is double top pattern followed by weakness in the price. Can you see? This is also a double top pattern. So double top within double top pattern, which gives the sense that buyers are diminishing from the stock. At the same time, sellers are slowly catching the pace. What we need here is the seller should take the price below 260 rupees. If they can do that on the back of decent range bearish candle along with surge in volume activity, it is going to propel more and more selling. And the target of 250 is not out of the reach in Monday's session. So watch out for 260 rupees. That is a critical level in Atul Auto. We will be buying 250 rupees of put option in Atul Auto only if stock price breaks below 261 rupees. The target is till 245, but the sky is limit for Atul Auto depending upon how strong the sellers are at 250. We can take a decision whether to square off our position or let it give us more and more profit.